Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover one more comment that is covering around 2 to 3 questions. So first question is, let's focus more on what is what things will come under non-eligible and why somebody's refund will be come inside this non-eligible thing. And then we will also be talking about what did I say to LinkedIn customer services. And then also we will be talking about will it work for all apps. If I talk about WPS, Canva, LinkedIn, Render Forest, or any tool or any platform that for which we used to take a premium subscription. Okay, so let's get into it. Firstly, let's go to my Google Play Store, because recently I have bought two premium subscription, one for Canva, and like for Canva I used to get it on a monthly basis, and second is what's that second is okay, this vidIQ tool. Okay, so firstly let's see subscription whether it is in this mail, or I think I need to switch it. Okay, not in this also, so it's in this my personal account. So okay, let's get into subscription. Okay, sorry, okay, let's get into this subscription thing. Okay, then just checking it. You can see, okay, there are two kind of दो subscriptions यहाँ पे है. First is Canva and second is vidIQ for YouTube. Okay, so okay, here suppose I want, firstly let's cover first question. When it comes to non-eligible, so it will be like it can fall under two categories. First is maybe you are using a platform, or you have bought premium subscription of a platform that says that we are not at all going to refund anything, even if you like. Suppose if I have taken a subscription for LinkedIn, okay, and if I talk about WPS, so they used to say that we your refund is not at all allowed if we are taking it for monthly or even annually, but still there are some steps. If we are taking it, we can do it. Okay, second is maybe you have used the tool or say subscription for around 15 to 20 days, or maybe it has, suppose if I have taken the subscription today, and if I'm doing it within 4 to 5 days, if I'm asking for the refund, so there are chances that I will be getting my refund back. Not chances, I will get back for sure. I'll get my refund back for sure, because I know the steps. Even if something or some step is not working, so I know what are some other steps that I can take so that I can get my refund back. Okay, and so it's about 4 to 5, within 4 to 5 days we can surely get a refund, no matter what kind of platform or what kind of tool it is, and even what are their refund policy. If we are taking those extra steps to get in touch with their customer service, to send them multiple mails saying that this amount is too much for me, it's too important for me, and I am not at all using this tool, and it's not good for me, whatever things are there, you just write it all. Okay, then they will surely consider and they'll refund your money. Okay, second is I have used that subscription for around 15 to 20 days. Now I am trying to get in touch with them so that I can get my money back. So this is something that is not going to work. Okay, so it is very clear that since last 15 days or 20 days we are consuming the features whatever they are providing us as a premium subscriber. Okay, we are consuming those features for last 15 to 20 days, and suddenly we are saying that this app is not at all of any use for me. So it would be something like we are trying to ghost them, so we need not to do it. So if you really want to get your money back, you can ask it within starting 4 to 5, even you can consider 7 days also. Okay, now let's get into these things one by one. Okay, if I talk about Canva, so firstly what I'll do if I want my refund back, firstly I don't want my refund back because I used to subscribe it on a monthly basis, and if today I am I am just unsubscribe or cancel subscription doing something like this, so I'll lose all the Canva features because I need to work today also. So I'm not at all going to do this. I'm just telling you the steps that you can do. Firstly, you need to click on cancel subscription. You can see downside. Okay, and then once you'll cancel the subscription, so it will, like, they will remove that auto renewal thing on a monthly basis. So your payment will not deduct, or your money will not deduct without your permission, because you have already stopped it. So next month if I need it, so I need to subscribe it again. So if I'm doing cancel subscription, okay, let's do it. Okay, here you can see it. So I'll just do something cost related issues, I found a better app, or technical issue, not technical issues actually. Why, like, we should not lie, okay? So it's good if we are choosing any relevant option. I found a better app, or let's take cost related issues, okay? Or even you can do one thing, just wait. You can go for not decline to answer, okay? You don't want to share, continue. Then I need to click on cancel subscription. From there they will cancel my subscription. You can see this, read this: your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on December 29th 2024, because my subscription started from 29th November, and now it will go till December 29th. But again, if I'm not at all say, so here it's wise if I cancel the subscription. I'll tell you why. So right now I have cancelled it, okay? But I have not, see, I have just cancelled the subscription, I have not asked for the refund, okay? So there are difference. First is, I have cancelled the subscription for my coming month. They won't deduct my money without my permission. If I need Canva subscription next month too, so obviously I will be going to the app, I will be subscribing it for it again. Second is, see, here I have just cancelled the subscription, but I have not asked for the refund process. I have not started my refund process. Many times people used to watch half video and they think that once they are cancelling the subscription, then they'll get their money back. It's no, not this process is not done yet. We need to take some extra steps to get our refund back. Second is, why I have just cancelled it, because see, my subscription started on 29th November. It will go till 29th December. If I'll keep my subscription, they will deduct the amount on 29th December itself. As I have cancelled it, so they will be giving me around 10 to 15 days extra to use it. I hope you have got my point. So if we can manage Canva subscription for 1.5 months within that 1 month like amount, why will I say pay anything extra on time? Or if I'm going to pay them like in coming 29 December, so obviously I can leverage these 15 days. That's why I've just cancelled. I used to do it whenever I just got this in my mind, but this time I have done it. Last time I think I forgot, okay? And I remember that I have already made one video on this, how we can get 15 days extra on a monthly basis on Canva. Let's get back to it. Now suppose this, let's talk about vidIQ also. Okay, here again you can cancel and you can go for the same thing. I don't want to do it, so I'm not doing it. Let's just talk about Canva, okay? Now in order to get your refund back, what you need to do, go for search, write down Canva here, or whatever app you want to like pay or refund your money back. So just open the app, go downside. Here I am doing everything on Google Play, okay? Go downside, you can read Google Play refund policy. Click there, and then see, or come like scroll down. You can, first thing, this is that was accidentally made by my friend. You can read this thing, but this is not true. Let's not get into it. You can just see one request to refund your amount. Here you can see, okay? Let's click on this. Okay, here you can see this button. So here we need to click there. We will be obviously I won't ask for the refund because it's been, but still I think if I'll do it, I can get it back. Okay, yes, firstly you need to confirm your mail ID, okay? Then you need to select subscription, it's 11. I'm doing it for Canva, okay? Purchase by accident. I'm just sharing some tricks or tips to you that you can use. Yes, refund money. So I should not do it because I have used it enough, and obviously if they'll here you can see has been submitted. Check your email. Okay, let's get into email also. if they have approved it. Firstly I need to, I think, switch. Okay, I need to switch. Okay, here it is. Okay, is being reviewed. Okay, here you can see they'll review your, and if even if you have got this email, so trust me, if even after this mail they are sending something like sorry, your refund is not approved or something like this, again if you are like sending them mails, and okay, you can see here the Google customer team, it is there. Then what you can do is you can just go to Canva, or here type Canva customer support mail. Okay, mail, we need mail actually, not number. So from like if you need that mail or something for customer help, you just need to get into the app itself. Okay, let's just canceling a Canva plan. Okay, let's see, do one thing. Canva customer care mail ID. Let's go to images. See, we, okay, it's not like they don't have any mail ID, they have, but the thing is it is not like easily grabbed from internet, so we need to look for it. Okay, Canva Canva customer support. Okay, we can easily get it. I like, it's not a tough issue because I have got it for many tools. Refund, you can see it right here. Find the transaction, it was in Google Play. Go to Google Play. Again they have started the same thing, man. So yeah, hey guys, I've got it. So you can see here in my like Canva app, you can see left hand side, top side, there are 3 control line and one red icon is there, red button, like red kind of mark is there. You need to click there on that control button. Here you can see Ask Canva, home, brand, apps, then Dream Lab, and then Ask Canva. Go to Ask Canva. Then you can go to, you can see this last option, or learn other ways to find help or reach support. Okay, click there. There you can see third option, you can see this, sorry, you can see this, contact our support system. You need to click there. First option, payments, pricing and billing, you need to click there, and here you can select any option. You can write your message, and you can just maybe if you have any screenshot you can share it, or if you have any issues also with the app, so you can just write it all and share it with them, and they will surely help you to get your money back. But I need, if they'll refund my money, I need to take the subscription again because it's important for me on a daily basis. I run a marketing agency and we have many clients for which we need to make graphic designing on a daily basis. Like we need to do graphic designing, videos making and all these things on a daily basis. So yeah, I have just shown this like to you because you can understand the steps in a better manner, right? Because many times I've seen that people don't say complete the process. They used to just to cancel subscription, and then after 10 to 15 days they used to get in touch with me. They are saying that they like they went through that that cancel subscription option, they have not received their payment back. So the reason is they have not completed the process, right? So you need to firstly cancel subscription and then you need to ask for your refund. You can go through Play Store. That downside I've told you, like you can just go to, where is my Play Store? Okay, you can just go to Play Store and okay, just type the app name here on this like search bar. Once you'll get the app, you can click there and then you can go downside, you can see Google Play refund policy. Click there, confirm your mail ID, choose the reason, and do everything like I have already told you in many videos. Okay, here you can see this is the option. Okay, you can just click there, and then you can see this button, and then just go through it. And also I would suggest you, if you are looking to get your Canva refund, so I would suggest you to use the method that I have just told you for Canva support. Okay, just go to Canva. Here you can see top side, left hand side, top side, 3 control button is there. Click there, go to ask Canva, and then just like this find help or re-support contact, and then write everything that whatever things you are facing. If you don't want to keep your premium subscription, just let them know. And this is not for only this app. If I talk about LinkedIn also, so you can again use like do the same. If I talk about LinkedIn, so here also I think I have made many videos for LinkedIn subscription. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm just telling you the mail ID that you can use. Okay, I think it was this one, first one. Okay, here you can see this http, yeah, or you can just forget https. Okay, it's www.linkedin.com/help/linkedin/solve/contact. You need to, let's open this. Okay, they'll ask for login and all these things. You can just go to this, and they like it will open one contact support window. And what make sure that whatever device you are using to click on this link, make sure that you have already logged in with your LinkedIn profile on whatever device you are going to use this link. Okay, and if you have already logged in, so they like it will directly redirect you to this interface. Okay, like that contact option will be there, and then you can share your issue, and then you can get your refund back then and there. They won't take, I think, more than 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll just get your refund. And maybe you need to wait for 10 to 12 something hours, because I remember I made that video for you all at like late night, or maybe 10 or 11 p.m. something, when I woke up in the morning time. So I just checked my status, and it was saying something like they have already refunded the amount. Then I checked my transaction, so it was already refunded. Okay, so they won't take more than 10 to 12 hours, though they used to say that 4 to 7 business days. But still, I'm very sure that LinkedIn don't take too much time. Within one day also you can consider. So yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please make sure that you have subscribed for the channel, and drop your comment. And if you are facing anything, or if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. Please comment below and subscribe, press the bell icon, and just stay tuned, because I will be coming with more videos, more informative videos, and that will help many of you to maybe get the tips, or to say like there would be a lot of suggestions for you all. So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.